story, I want to take you through the principle behind the microscope, which is the heartbeat of medicine, discovering the unknown. And this light microscope works, it has the light source where we put the specimen and the opticals. So the principle starts when the light is produced from the light source. It is going to be concentrated at the stage through the iris of the diaphragm and the condenser. And the role of the condenser is to focus the light on the stage where there is the sample to be examined. So suppose the object which you're examining on this BS, so the role of this condenser is to focus the light from the light source to the object on the stage. Then when this light lands on the object on the stage, the light is going to be received by the objective lenses, and these lenses are going to form what we call primary enlarged image. So they form the primary image which is enlarged, depending on the objective lens, either times 10 or times 40 or times 100 oil immersion. And the role of oil immersion is to reduce the bending of light, what we call refractive index. So after forming the primary image, we have other lenses in the eyepiece. These are the eyepieces, which contain a lens. So this lens in the eyepiece, which is near your eyes, is going to receive the primary image, which is enlarged from the objective, and is further enlarged by the eyepiece lens to secondary enlarged image. That is what we can say. So meaning we shall have the total magnification, which is the magnification of the objective times the magnification of the eyepiece lens to get what we call total magnification. So when the secondary enlarged image, which is larger than the primary in the objective, is viewed by the observer through the eyepiece while examining. So this is what we can talk about the principle about the light microscope. Please remember to like, put this video on your favorite, and share to many others. Thank you so much.